Hey, what's up everybody? This is me Jahid and you're watching my YouTube channel Multi Technology. Today I'm gonna show you how I make $350 in 1 month. Before we get started, please make sure you've subscribed to this channel, and if you are new to this channel, then do subscribe. So let me show you my Fiverr affiliate program account reports. So if you don't know how to create a Fiverr affiliate account, then do comment. I will make another video for this. So here you can see my dashboard, which is March month reports, but I make $350 in February month. Let's jump to the February reports. For February getting reports, we have to click here and select 1 February, and we should click 28 also and update. And here we go. You can see it here. We got 216 unique clicks and 235 clicks. Also we got 13 registrations and 5 FTB. FTB means first time buyer, and we got 350 commission. But here we got our 5 FTB worth 50 each order, which will make 250. But how I got 350? Here I will show you the details of the earning reports, and we should get in here and we click earning reports, and we have to click here select 1 February to 28 February and run report. And you can see we got $100 bonus for getting 5 FPV in 1 month. So let me show you how you can earn good commission by using free marketing tips. We are using Quora as a free marketing website for Fiverr affiliates, and we all know Quora is one of the best platforms for getting all questions answered. So without wasting more time, let's get started. So here you can see my stats, but we should check the February month stats because we earn money in February month in the Fiverr affiliate program. So we should click here and select all time. You can see I got 358 views, and here you can see my questions, which is not get most views, but you can see here it got 83 views, and it will get more views day by day. So now let's see how we can promote our Fiverr affiliate links through Quora. Let's see how we can promote our Fiverr affiliate links through Quora, and here we can see the search option, and we will type any kind of category questions, which type of category we want to promote. For example, we will type in hiring freelancer web developers, and select questions option, and select one of them who wants to hire freelancer like this, and you can see what's the best website for finding freelance web developers. Simply click here and click to answer, and now we will go to our Fiverr affiliate marketing tools. Simply go there and click marketing tools and select default and deep links. Click here and and after that we will go fiverr.com and we will search web developers, and simply we copy the links from here, or you can select copy and go to Fiverr, and you can see LP URL. Just click here and paste this link, and you can uncheck here and click check. Then you can see here we will get our link, or simply you can paste your link and press enter for getting this link, and simply we should copy here. Our link will copy, and here you can see we don't have any linked option. You can just type in here, but we have to promote our links by using this. Click here and click attach disclaimer. Okay, and we should writing our blog here. Now I'll write simply, if you want to hire a web developer, then you can find it on Fiverr Marketplace. Fiverr Marketplace is very trusted top marketplace for buyers and sellers getting web developer. Just click here and select from this to this using this link, and paste this and click add. You can see here we got a click linked here, and people when click here you will get clicks, and if they buy something you will get update from Fiverr affiliate dashboard. So just you can click here a disclaimer, and you have to write here I tell you why you should choose hiring freelancers. Simply post here, and your post are submitted. Let me tell you one thing, that is, if you are a good writer, then you can get easily new registrations, new audience for FTV. For today we are done. I will make more videos about many affiliates program. Till then, take care. Bye bye.